Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download TypingMaster Pro on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So now here inside the web browser, search here for the TypingMaster download. So here you can see the first link, download TypingMaster. So now click on it. So here you can see we are inside the, or can say we are on the official page of TypingMaster. So now scroll down. So here is a button, download now. Click on it. So it is now loading. So just wait. So here you can see the TypingMaster has been downloaded. Now double click it to install the TypingMaster on your computer. So here you have to select the version. So select this one, which is recommended. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Choose the language, let's say English. Then click on OK. So now click on next. Again you have to accept the terms and condition. Then again click on next. From here you have to choose the location where you want to install the TypingMaster. So let's say I will install it into the C drive, which is the default location. So I will click on next. Then again click on next. Again next. Now click on install. So here you can see the TypingMaster has been installing. It can take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.